Greetings, Wildcats and Wildcat parents. This is Mr. Etheridge, the math teacher here. I'm reaching out to you in regards to Math 2. We are in the home stretch. We have 3 or less class periods left until the final exam. We have finals beginning next week. Finals begin next week, Friday. So they are coming soon. But some of us are in a position where we need to raise our grades up higher to what they are. Some of us have an F and want to be at a D. Some of us are at a D wanting to be at a C, and so on and so forth. We got some Bs wanting to be As. And so I have something special for you. As you can see right here, we are looking at the Google Classroom. We're already here at the Google Classroom. Now you can see on December 8th, I made a post and I talked about optional bonus points for you. Optional bonus points for you. And so these problem sets here are going to help you raise your grade, prepare for the final exam, and most importantly, help you on your mathematical journey of learning. They're going to prepare you for the final exam, get you some grade points, and most importantly, it is going to help you to learn mathematics on your learning journey. And so some of us are in a position where we're failing. Some of us are in a position where we're failing for various reasons. And you're not a failure as a person. You just are in a position right now where your grade is not where it needs to be. This isn't everybody, but some people are in a position where their grade isn't where it needs to be. So we can modify that. I have a deal for you. If you could do 3 tasks, no matter what your percentage is right now, you could do 3 tasks, no matter what your percentage is right now, could even be a 0%. You do these 3 things, you can get at least a D. If you do these 3 things. Thing 1, look at this problem set of 4 problems here. If you do all these, and on average, if between the 4 of those problem sets, you have over a 60%. That's task 1. Get a 60% on those, because that problem set there represents the material we've covered this semester. So if you could get a 60% on that problem set there, a 60% on our next assessment, which is coming to you very soon. It's going to be coming to you soon. I'm going to talk to you about that in class. And then, or I've already talked to you about it, depending on when you see this video. 60% on these quizzes. 60% on the next quiz. Those are the 2 tasks so far. And the third task, get a 60% on the final exam next week. In the coming weeks, get a 60% on the final. So if you pass these quizzes, pass the next quiz, and then pass the final exam, you can pass Math 2. Now, some people, everybody's not failing. Some people listening to this have Bs. If you got a B listening to this, you could do these problems too. Get some more points. Bring that grade up a little higher. Some people got a C, you might want a B. Do these. Prepare, get a higher grade on the final by preparing yourself, and get some bonus points. That is an amazing deal, because by doing these problems, you can study, preparing for the final, and you're getting bonus points. How about that? You can access it right here in the Google Classroom. You could also access it via the email that I sent out to you, and those are there, and they are due by December 15th by 11:45 p.m. I need them in before the last day of class, and that's how we can get those bonus points. And for those of you who are failing, 3 things to be done to pass. 60% or better on these quizzes, 60% or better on the next quiz, 60% or better on the final exam. You need not just 2 of 3, 1 of 3, you need all 3 to pass. I'm talking to my below 40 percenters. You need all 3. And you can still pass. My below 40 percenters, 60% or better on these quizzes, 60% or better on the next quiz, 60% or better on the final, and you can pass. I hope you all have a wonderful Wildcat day. Reach out, email if there's any questions, comments, or concerns. And if you need more support, you could always book an office hours appointment with me. And I'll be seeing you soon.